Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here, do a quick video about my Amazon Basics men's 5-blade razor, and I can say that I've successfully ditched my previous razor of 17 years in favor of this one. A couple of reasons. Number one, the reason why I tried it was because it made a lot better economic sense by a factor of about 4, so I said, hey, you know what? Why don't I give this a shot? Because this is, this might make better sense. When it actually arrived, number one, the handle is molded like perfectly, and it's got a little bit of weight to it. So I was like, all right, so this definitely, the shape of the handle is good, and it also, in terms of the blades here, let me see if I can pop this off with one hand. You'll see that there's 5 blades. I've used it once or twice. Very happy with how it feels on my face. It's very comfortable. I don't even really feel the blades, to be completely honest with you. They do have a lubricating strip up here and a lubricating strip down there. But something I do like that my other razor did not, or my razor had that this one does not, is that little blade on the back. That blade is not there. I can't tell you, I think in 17 years, maybe I used that extra blade on the back once, maybe twice. It was kind of a marketing gimmick, and I cut myself more times on that particular blade than, well, than I ever did on the front. So I'm really glad that they did away and they got away with that. But overall, I mean, it's a safety razor. I'll see how long the blades last. They feel really sharp. The lubrication strip is good. It feels good in my hand. And then also in the box, they give you 16 replacement razors. Like you said, they come in these little like 4-packs, which again they fit everywhere inside of a travel. If I put them in my travel bag or whatever, and they do have the actual the little cover here that goes on when I'm not using it. So overall, really well put together razor. It is high quality, and I do recommend it. And again, I ditched my razor of 17 years for this one. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.